Hey, what's up guys? Just a real quick video for you today. We're just gonna be doing a little headlight replacement on the blue one. I don't know where the original ones go. They're around here somewhere. They're pretty, they get foggy. And I know you can clean them up and all that kind of stuff, but I prefer the black housings anyway. So, good old factory ones here. If anybody needs some, let me know. I've also got another set of black housing ones. They're a little old and they had eyelid gunk on it, but I didn't want to fix them up. So anyway, we're just gonna throw in some black housings that I had on the red one. Put down there somewhere. And they were like basically almost brand new. And then I got the retrofits, which I had to buy another pair of black housings to send to get retrofitted. So anyway, these black housings are like almost new. So anyway, we're just gonna throw them in real quick. Everyone's done this. If you haven't, super easy. I'll just show you what you do. Anyway, all right, let's check it out. All right, so there's a bolt right here. I think it's 10, and there's an 8mm right here. Same thing on this side. It's just 2 bolts, and then it's good to take out these bolts right here on the bumper because you basically have to lift this out when you do the headlight, or take it out. So this will pop out, and then you lift this out, and there's this little blade support right here. It's hard to get under there because see, that's where you have to put it right there. And then my son is going to come in here, crash into everything. Getting them in is a little bit more tricky, but not too bad. You got this little, I don't know, nipple, I guess is the best thing to say, that you have to put in here. All right, so you got to get that side in kind of first, and then this part has to go on top, while this other part has to go underneath. So you just have to barely slide this up over the top while getting this part underneath. And then this last part right here is where you lift up this and put it right under here. I need to get myself a tripod out here so I can set this thing up for you guys. Well, anyway, long story short, got them in there. Helps a little bit. I need to glue the front badge back on. Actually, I'm probably gonna get another one from my boy Curtis. So I'm gonna hit him up soon. Anyway, again, hey, look, it's got the patina thing going on kind of right now, but they're in. All right, so I'll give you a little bit of an update too, because this is a little bit longer. I'll give you a little bit more of an update because it's been a couple weeks since the middle of that video. So anyway, we got a beautiful Florida sunset going on right now. Look at this. Gorgeous. Anyway, so I wanted to just kind of take it in and to my buddy Ryan and see if there's anything that just kind of needs to be looked over. There were some squeaky noises coming from the front right wheel. Long story short, I took it apart and I didn't see anything to my naked eye. He looked around the back side of the caliper and saw that it was rubbing on the rotor. It ended up being a wheel bearing that was not pressed in correctly, or it was one of the wheel bearings that just doesn't work that great. So the rotor wasn't sitting flush, so it was rubbing on the caliper. So anyway, got that changed and wanted to just see if the AC worked, or maybe it just needed to be charged, because all the components were there. And it ended up just being a couple Schrader valves that you used to fill it up, and now it works. So now the AC works in it. She's over here. So the AC works in it, and did an oil change, and I think that's it. Just a couple little things, and really it's running great. So I really can't complain right now, guys. Anyway, that's about it for now. We'll talk to you on the next one. See you guys later.